When I joined Blue Prism sort of over 18 months ago, I came through the graduate programme and I was the only female of my intake. So I saw a real gap to really start to create something that's going to drive more female participation within our industry.
We want this initiative to be inclusive of everybody, and one of the main reasons we started it was to actually raise awareness of this. We wanted to raise awareness of the fact that women are still underrepresented in business, and I think we've achieved that.
Something we are really proud of is the amount of men that we do have involved following the initiative as well, and I think that's something that is a real credit to the culture that we have here at Blue Prism.
As well as raising awareness internally, we wanted to raise awareness of the initiative externally, so we created a showcase page on LinkedIn that now has over 1,200 followers.
We've linked up with some wider women in tech and women in business organisations and joined together to sponsor some of these events. So we have made sure that we've sponsored events in each of our major tier regions, at least for the financial year of 2020, which I think is one of the proudest things that we've done to date. Obviously, Blue Prism invented robotic process automation. We coined the term in 2012, and we really have become sort of the thought leaders within this space. We really are the vendor that's leading the way in terms of the roadmap and the future ambitions for our product. And I think that element was actually something that, again, was really important in terms of promoting diversity and inclusion. So we wanted to ensure that Blue Prism, again, was a thought leader in this space. And again, we are setting the standard for other vendors, our partners and our customers to do the same and to really encourage both men and women into roles and into areas of the business where they may be underrepresented.